hear it?
Yeah.
Having the cars out of the parking lot would help.
I'm gonna get on it.
We're gonna get on it.
There, it's right there. Right there.
Now we gotta let everybody get off.
Scooch over a little more. This is fun. Are you so excited?
Here's our ticket. So when the man comes around, you gotta hand him our ticket and say we have 5 people.
Because
Five.
Right.
Alright. You said the man.
I see. Yeah, we got 5 of us right here.
That'll work.
5. Good job.
5 people. That's right.
Thank you.
5 train lovers. Welcome aboard. Are you ready? We'll get you on the next one, okay?
Oh, we're going faster.
Oh, I see the tunnel.
Yeah, buddy.
Look at all that expansion. Here we go. We're gonna go through the tunnel.
Yeah, you're going to ride the train over there.
That was so fun. I liked it.
And there's a big boat right there.
Oh, it is a big bell.
Wow.
Yeah. And there's a yacht.
Oh, good job.
You're getting better at this and better. All right, let's go pull the steam whistle and let these kids do the bell.
I am the name of it.
Hard.
But it's got a great tone.
Do it again. Awesome, dude.
I guess I should try mine with my deep
Yeah.
Where they park the trains.
Do they ever have more than one boy?
Not that I know of. I think they'd want to keep a spare in case something goes wrong. They
Right.
Swap trains out during the day.
I thought they had 2 in here last
I
time.
thought so too, but
Maybe that one's getting fixed up.
Okay, we can do that again.
Which one you want to do? The whistle or the bell?
Oh, good job. Isn't that a pretty sound?
it's pretty fun.
Bye-bye. Thanks for riding with us.
We can go see the red train again.
Was that awesome?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty fun.
we're ready.
When we're ready, they'll say, all aboard.
Can you put a thumbs up?
All aboard.
That's a nice high five. Nice. Nice. Here we go. Look how fast we're going. There's new railroad over there.
All right, boys, put your hands up for the tunnel.
You ready? We're gonna go into the tunnel. Whee!